Welcome to your maths class, children. Chapter 2. Today we will continue our chapter 2. Exercise 2.3. Problem number 1. Complete the following pattern. Already you have learned in detail about the pattern, children. So let us do this problem. Complete the following pattern. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. You know that 9, when you subtract from 9 1, you will get the answer 8. Like that 98 minus 21 equal to 77. When you subtract, you will get 77. Just see the pattern, children. See in the left hand side, when they are subtracting the two numbers, see 9, the next one you have 98, that is one number is reduced, and this side you see 21, the number is increased, and you just look into your answer, children. It is given 77. The first one is the single digit, then the two digit 77. See the third one, 987 minus 321. So you get the answer 666. Like that, see the next one, 9876 minus 4321. So your final answer is 5555. Like that, next sum, 98,765 minus 54,321. So your answer is 44,444. So now the thing is over. Now what comes the next? So we have to find the next number. So solution, the next number is, you know already 98765. The number is reduced. So after 5 what you'll get? 4. Minus, here the number is increased. So the before 5 you'll get the number 6. So 654321, which is equal to, so 9,87,654 minus 6,54,321, which is equal to 3,33,333 is your final answer. Okay, children, I think you are all clear about this. Now let us move on to the next one. A piece of wire is 12 centimeter. Before I move on to the problem, children, you just observe the class. You need not to take down anything. I will send you these notes as a PDF through WhatsApp. You can note down that time. You just listen and observe the class. Okay, children. Now problem number 2. A piece of wire is 12 centimeter long. What will be the length of the side if it is formed as first subdivision an equilateral triangle, second subdivision a square? So your solution, problem number 1, an equilateral triangle. Usually triangle means how many sides they have? 3 sides. And another point, what is equilateral triangle? All the 3 sides are equal. So now here the length of the wire is 12. Yes. So number of equal sides, how many sides it has? The triangle has 3 sides. So number of equal sides equal to 3. So therefore the length of each side is equal to 12s divided by 3. The final answer is 4s centimeter. Subdivision 2. A square. What is a square? Opposite sides are equal. That is, all the 4 sides are equal in square. So how many sides it has? 4 sides. So total length of the wire is equal to 12s centimeter. Number of equal sides in the square is 4. So therefore length of each side is equal to 12s divided by 4. So which is equal to 3s centimeter. Now problem number 3. Just you observe this diagram, children. Identify the value of the shapes and figures in the table. Now we have to identify each value for the given figure given below and verify the addition horizontally and vertically. We want to verify addition horizontally and as well as vertically the values. Okay, let us move on to the problem. You just see the first row, the answer is given 30. In the column wise, it is given 32 down. It is not visible 32, and this side we want to find all the other values. Let us move on to the solution, children. Just look into it. See the star and two smiley and one star. It is given 30. So first let us calculate the value. So the smiley it is given and the star, and you just see the first column. It is 4 stars are there and down it is given 32. So 32 divided by 4 is how much? 8. So the value of the star is now 8. So we found the value of the star now. Let us calculate in the row wise. Okay, the first star is 8 and the last star is also 8 and 2 smiley is present. So 8 plus 8 is how much? 16, but totally we want to find 30. So 30 minus 16, what is balance now? 14. So divide that 14 by 2. So each smiley will get 7, 7. So the first row answer is 8, 7, 7, 8. So your final answer is 30. Like that, the second one you see 36 it is given. So already you know the star value. The star is 8. Now the 2 star is present. So 8 plus 8 you will be getting 16. But your final answer, how much it is given in the table? 36. So more you have 20. So let us divide the 22 because two triangles are present. So you will be getting 10 plus 10. So 8 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10. So your final answer is 36. Now next come to the third row. One star is present. The star value is 8 and triangle value is 10 and the smiley value is 7 and another smiley is 7. So if you add totally you will be getting 32. Like that, the next one again 8, 7, 10, 7. The final answer is 32. So when you add the horizontally as well as vertically, your final answer is 130. Okay children. Now let us move on to the problem number 4. The table given below shows the results of the matches played by 8 teams in a Kabaddi championship tournament. Kabaddi championship tournament. So they are given the table. Now teams, there are totally 8 teams. A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. So these are the 8 teams. They are given total matches they played and matches won and matches lost. Okay, and each team they are given the some variables. We want to find the value of all the variables in the table given above. Okay, let us move on to the answer, children. Solution, listen here. Team A, the total matches played 8. Okay, matches won 5. So matches lost. We want to find how many matches they lost. So how many matches they played? Team A played 8 matches. How many matches they won? 5. So 8 minus 5. What is balance now? 3. So they lost 3 matches. So the value of K is now 3. Okay. Like that, team B. The same method. So the total matches they played 7. Matches won 6. We want to find the matches lost M value. So 7 minus 6 is 1 is your answer. Okay. Next one. Team C. Team C, the total matches played is N they had given. Matches won 4 and matches lost 6. So you have to add how many matches they won and how many matches they lost. So 4 plus 6 you will be getting 10. So your N value is now 10. Like that, team D you take the same type how you found for team D, you have to add it. Team C how you found the same type. Team A you have to add both. So 7 plus 2 you will be getting the value of A 9. Next, team E, matches played is 9, matches won B, matches lost 3. So you have to subtract now. So from the total matches they played 9 minus matches lost 3. So 9 minus 3, 6 is your answer. Next, team F, total matches played 10, matches won 6 and matches lost C. So you'll be getting 10 minus 6, your final answer is 4. Now the team G, total matches played 8, and matches lost 4. So 8 minus 4, x is equal to 4 is your answer. The same type, the last team H, we want to find the total matches, how much they played. They won 3 matches and they lost 6 matches. So totally you have to add both. So 3 plus 6, your answer is 9. So the value of y is now 9. So we found all the variable values. K is equal to 3. M is equal to 1, N is equal to 10, A is equal to 9, B is equal to 6, C is equal to 4, X is equal to 4 and Y is equal to 9. Okay children. Now let us move on to the objective type question. Each exercise you have at the back objective type. We are going to see all together now. Okay. Now first question. Variable means that it, option A, can take only a few values. Option B has a fixed value. Option C can take different value. Option D can take only 8 values. So the variable means it takes a different value. Okay children. So the option C is the correct answer. Can take different values. Next. Question number 2. 6y means. What is the meaning of 6y we want to find? Option A 6 plus y. Option B 6 minus y. Option C 6xy. Option D 6 divided by y. So the solution is, it is given 6y means, that means it is a multiplication. It denote multiplication. So your answer is option C, 6 into y. Okay. Now problem number 3. Radha is x years of age now. 4 years ago her age was. 4 years ago, it means a before, past year. Okay, so x years of age now. Now at present she is x years old. We want to find the 4 years ago. That means what? Past. It means subtraction. So option A x minus 4, option B 4 minus x, option C 4 plus x, and option D 4x. So your solution is option A x minus 4. Now fourth problem. The number of days in W week is option A 30 plus W, 30W, 7 plus W, and option D 7W. So the number of days in a week. How many days in a week children? Yes, very good. You have 7 days in a week. So the 7 days it is given. So the answer is option D, 7W is your answer. Okay. Now fifth one, the value of x in the circle is option A 6, option B 8, option C 21, and option D 22. Children, observe this diagram. It is given 2, 4, 7, 11, 6 and the x value we want to find. Just you observe children, 2, with the 2 they added 2, so the answer is 4. With the 4 they added 3, the number is increased, okay, they are getting 7. With 7 they added 4, so you are getting 11. With 11 they are adding 5, so 16. So 16 plus what is your next value? 6. Very good children. So what's the answer now? Option D, 22 is your answer. Okay ma'am. Now problem number 6. The value of y in y plus 7 is equal to 13 is option A y is equal to 5, option B y is equal to 6, option C y is equal to 7, option D y is equal to 8. The solution is y plus 7 is equal to 13. So this y plus 7, the 7 comes to the right hand side. So here it is in plus sign. When it come to the right hand side, this side, it gets changes into minus 7. So 13 minus 7, the answer is 6. So the option B, y equal to 6 is your final answer. Okay ma. Now next problem number 7. 6 less 2n gives 8 is represented as 6 less 2n. So 6 is less than n. Okay, just observe the question clearly children. Gives 8. What is the meaning of gives? It is equal to. Now let us move on to the options. Option A, n minus 6 is equal to 8. Option B, 6 minus n is equal to 8. Option C, 8 minus n equal to 6. Option D, n minus 8 equal to 6. So the solution is option A, n minus 6 equal to 8, because 6 less to n. So 6 is less than n and it gives 8. So n minus 6 is equal to 8 is the correct answer. Now problem number 8. The value of a C for which 3c divided by 4 gives 18. Already I explained to you what is the meaning of gives. Gives means equal to. So 3c divided by 4 gives 18. Yes. Option A, c is equal to 15. Option B, c is equal to 21. Option C is equal to 24. And option D, c is equal to 27. So the solution is 3c divided by 4 is equal to 18. So 3c equal to, take that 4 to that side. So 18 into 4. Now c is equal, 3c is there. No, it is in the multiplication type. So you can bring that 3 as a dividend. So c is equal to 18 into 4 divided by 3. You can cancel 3 with 18 table. How many times it will go? 6 times. So c is equal to 6 into 4. So the c value is 24. So the answer is option C. C is equal to 24. Okay children, today's session is over. Now let us move on to the chapter 3 in the next session. Have a nice day. Thank you children.